What's up guys, D White Trucks, Daniel here, back again, and today I got a video showing you what I got to save my center console. Let's go check it out. Alright guys, so pretty much the reason why I got this cover is so I could preserve my center console door, and it does have stitching. It's black, so you're really not going to see the dirt that gets on it, but it's going to keep it clean. And if you want to sell it later, it's going to look like it's new again. If you don't like it, you don't have to use it, but you know, if you have kids or makeup spills on it or whatever, it's just to protect the cover, to preserve it. And yeah, let's get into it. So I got this on Amazon for around $23. I'll put the link in there for you guys if you want to check it out. They do have other ones with pockets that go on the side. This one has a pocket that goes on top if you want to store, I don't know, a pen or paper, or you can put your phone in there. But let's open it and check it out. I got the black one. There also is a gray one. I got black because my interior is black. And this is pretty much it. See the pockets right here? Pretty basic. It just wraps around your console. I thought it would have a strap in between. This is for your button to open your console. Pretty basic. It's elastic, so it should just wrap around. But let's put this on and see how it works. Alright, so let's check this out. It goes this way right here. Just gonna wrap around like this. So where's the button? A little harder than I thought. I know it has to go in between these right here, so maybe we can start from the bottom, go up. Okay, I got this, I got this, got this. So tight. It's not bad. Looks a little ugly, but it's gonna do the job. It's gonna keep your console pretty protected. I don't mind it. I've noticed, I've seen a couple of other guys, they have a piece of cloth that goes over so they don't get no oils, or like I said, maybe your wife spills your makeup, her makeup, and it gets on there and it gets in between the cracks and the grooves of the material, and it just stains, and you're scared to use anything to clean it. So this is your best option to save it. And if you get it dirty, you can take it off and wash it. Pretty easy, pretty simple. The other one that I saw, it had a strap right here, but I guess that's okay. Oh no, it's not closing. Oh, I guess it closes good. Yeah. That's good. There's a pocket right here, like I said, to put your, wallet or something. I mean, I don't know why you do that. You have a bunch of other pockets in your truck for that. But it's pretty cool. I mean, I like it. It's gonna, like I said, it's gonna keep dirt off your cover. And they do have gray, and then there's another one that has little sleeves that hang down, and you can put stuff right here and on this side too. So yeah, I like it. It's pretty cool. It blends in. No one's really gonna notice if you don't have this truck that it didn't come with this. So they're just gonna see black interior, and they're gonna see this black. But I like it. It's nice, simple, clean. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. This is gonna do it for this video. And I do have another product that I will be showing maybe next week. But stay tuned for that. Please comment. I will get back to your comments. Like and subscribe. Peace.